Welcome to my video. My name is Shyam, a corporate trainer and your millennial coach. So a lot of you, mentioned one major problem that all of you are facing. That Shyam, how to choose my career? At this certain stage of my life, I'm not able to understand which career choice to make. Trust me, guys. When I was at your place, I was totally confused. I never knew what to do. I went, spoke to my professors, I went, spoke to, professional career counselors, but nobody could help me out. After so many years, I have a solution for all of you. A scientific way of making right career choice. Watch the full video to understand how you can actually save a lot of years in your life and make a right career decision. To understand this, you need to know a concept called as competency. Competency has three different things in it. Knowledge, skill and willingness. When I say knowledge, it has to be a theoretical knowledge, the rationality of a subject. So suppose if I say that I am good at communication, I am good at public speaking. Do I know the 7 C's of communication? Do I know what is a sender and what is a receiver? What is the medium in which I should communicate? If yes, you have the theoretical knowledge of it. The second is skill. If I talk about skill, have I practically implemented that knowledge? Have I utilized that knowledge and got an output for it? So did I go and represent myself in a debate competition? Did I go to an extemporary competition, or did I do a communication competition in my college? Did I win any kind of such events? If yes, I have practically implemented the skill that I have and proven it. The third thing is willingness. When I say willingness, it is the motivation that drives me to do the particular skill. So I am very motivated to talk. I like to communicate with people. I like to interact and know new things from people, and that always motivates me to do this thing. So you need to figure out what are the competencies that you have. Based on these competencies, you will be able to judge whether the job that you are going and applying for is the right job for you. So let us take an example over here and understand how competency can decide which career opportunity should you choose. There is a person A and there is a person B. The person A has following list of competencies: public speaking, logical reasoning, active listening and questioning skill. The second person B has the following list of competencies: public speaking, investigation, logical reasoning, reading habit, active listening and problem solving. Now you take a call from both of them, who can be a better lawyer? Of course, the person B would become a better lawyer because of the investigation skill, because of the voracious reading habit and the problem solving skill. Now this is the key part why few people are successful in their career and few people are not. So after understanding what is competency and how it can help you in making a right career choice, you need to figure out which are the competencies that you have. For that, you need to answer 3 simple questions. So bring a paper and pen and write down the questions and write down the answers to it. The first question that I have for you is, what are you good at? What are the things that your parents said? What are the things you feel you are good at? What are the things that your professors, teachers, friends said that you are good at? Write down and make a list of these things. These are the lists that I felt I was good at. Now comes the part where I have to answer the second question. The second question is, from the list A that you have written that these are the things I am good at, which are those things that you have actually implemented and got a positive result out of it. For example, I wrote public speaking. Now from public speaking, have I actually implemented this thing and got a result? Yes. I have represented my college at various forums and won debate and extemporary competitions. So this actually gives me an idea that I have utilized my knowledge and practically implemented it, got some output out of it. So this is the second task that you need to do. Let us see which are the things got into my second list. The third question to answer is, out of the list of B that you have mentioned, the skills that you have practically implemented, which are those things that motivates you? So out of the list of 10, at least 5, write down 5 things that you feel that these are the things that motivates me. Once you have figured out or you have filtered all the competencies that you have, the final 5 or 4 skills or 5 competencies that you have wrote in the section C are the actual competencies that you have. Your job is, now whenever you see a job description, whenever you are looking at a job role, you need to figure out that whether these competencies are there in the job role or not. Another way of looking at it is, now you can combine. So how to combine? So based on the 5 competencies, 3 competencies that you have finalized, what are the job opportunities in the market? Let me give you an example of my own self. From the final list of my competencies, I have figured out that public speaking, creativity, innovation and presentation skill is something that I feel should be there in my job. What next I did was, I figured out which are the different career opportunities I would have where these competencies would be useful. Now I could narrow down on 2 different portfolios. The first is becoming a corporate trainer, and the second was to become a director at a film studio. Now definitely I did not have much interest into writing scripts or narrating stories. I definitely understood that my dream role was to become a corporate trainer. I wanted to help people by my power of speech, power of presentation, and I definitely write good content for it. So this is how I figured out that this is the final career choice that I had to make. I hope this competency based career choice model was helpful for all of you. Do make sure that you list down the competencies that you have, you filter them out and ensure that there is a final list of 4 or 5 competencies that you possess. Make sure to combine these competencies with the job opportunity that you get, or you can also hunt down which is the dream job that you can do. Feel free to reach out to me and share your thoughts on whether the model was helpful or not. Comment down below if you feel there is another way, a better way of making a right career choice. Also, if it was helpful for you, share it with your friends who feel they are very confused in making a career choice. Definitely this can be helpful for them. Please like, share and subscribe my video. And I'll keep coming up every week and share my thoughts on different topics. I'm Shyam, a corporate trainer and your millennial coach. Thank you so much.